Dear viewer, welcome to GESERCO. I am very happy to introduce to you today the GESERCO ViscoTest. The GESERCO ViscoTest is a simple and cost-effective tool to quickly monitor a key parameter of the oil in service. It's viscosity. Monitoring viscosity with the ViscoTest is a very easy and efficient way to get a quick overview of the oil condition, making sure that it is fit for purpose and that the machine condition is nominal. When applied to engine oils, ViscoTest can detect within seconds a possible dilution of the engine oil by fuel oil, allowing to take the necessary steps before a problem occurs. The test is meant to be done in the field by any non-specialist personnel, right by the machinery. The GESERCO ViscoTest is a strong and rugged pocket tool designed for field operation. It is delivered with all accessories needed to run the test and a user manual containing detailed test instructions. The test principle is to compare the way a sample of used oil flows into a groove with the way the same new oil flows. Therefore, the ViscoTest has two reservoirs to receive the samples of used and new oils to be compared. They are connected to two channels in which the oils will flow. A colored scale allows for reading instantly the result. To run the ViscoTest, you need the ViscoTest tool. Two 5 milliliter sampling syringes. Take samples of the used oil and same new oil and allow them to stand for at least 1 hour so that the temperature will homogenize. It is very important that both samples are at the same temperature, otherwise their viscosities cannot be compared. Place the ViscoTest on a flat level surface. Using a clean 5 milliliter syringe, inject 5 milliliters of used oil into the reservoir marked used oil, and using another clean 5 milliliter syringe, inject 5 milliliters of the same new oil into the reservoir marked fresh oil. Tilt the ViscoTest so that it rests on its beveled edge and allow the oils to run down the channels. As soon as the new oil reaches the stop mark on the scale, return the ViscoTest to the horizontal position and read immediately the result by looking carefully at the point reached by the used oil. If the used oil has flown to the same level as the new oil, close to the OK mark, its viscosity is the same as the viscosity of the new oil, and it is good. If the used oil has flown less than the new oil and reached a point behind the new oil, its viscosity is higher than recommended. If the used oil has flown further than the new oil and reached a point ahead of the new oil, its viscosity is lower than recommended. In the case of an engine oil, it can be a sign of dilution of the engine oil by fuel oil. The yellow and red color scale of the ViscoTest helps determining the criticality of the viscosity difference. Once the test is complete, dispose of the oils, make sure to clean carefully the ViscoTest, and you are ready for a new viscosity test. Within a very short time, the ViscoTest has delivered a key information about the oil in service. The test was very easy to set up and prepare, and the results easy to understand. This makes the GESERCO ViscoTest kit an efficient, rapid, and easy-to-use solution for the routine condition monitoring of oils, directly by the machine. Do not hesitate to contact GESERCO for more information on the ViscoTest, a great tool for your lubricant condition monitoring needs. Thank you. See you soon.